Cocaine by Eric Clapton. I'm Steve and I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. We're not even going to need that long because that's really it. Just 3 or 4 chords, 4 chords in a row. A lot of fun. So you begin here with no capo. So check the link in the description for the chord charts, but you're hitting the low E and a bar chord of an E major. E major. And you're not going to be able to do it. I guess you could try that E major to D to E, but for now we're going to do the bar chord version because that's how it does. So the low notes go like this, down 2 frets. So I've got my first finger on the 7th fret of the A string, and this finger on the 9th fret of the D string, And if you want to play the whole bar chord, we'll do that in just a second, but like that. And you don't want to hit that open E. You can do it at the beginning, but you don't want to leave it when you go to the D right there. So you could do that too if you want to. But that sounds a little weird. You know, mostly I'm just hitting these 2 notes. Right, that. And then if you can, slide in from that position up to there and back down again. Now, then, you know, a couple times it does the full chord like this. A little bit harder, you got to squeeze a little bit harder. Another option is go like that, just hit the high notes right there. So that's really most of the song. That's why I'm camping out on this one for a while. But then when it goes, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, cocaine, like that, you do that bar chord again. It's the full E major chord down to the D, D major to C major to B, cocaine. And then now if you want to do it, it's alright, E major, D, C, B, you can if you want to, but it goes, and you want to give it a pop and sort of take a break right there. And the only time I'm hitting that open E is that E chord. So I go, and here I quieted it. I use this finger just to push it a little bit and quiet it up a little bit if I want to hit that note. But it sounds a little weird, so. Very cool, very cool. Super simple. It just takes a while to get the rhythm and, you know, learn how to hit the dynamic notes right on key. All right, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear it in the comments. Give me some more requests. Hit like and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to quit yapping. See ya.